I want to quickly show you how to create a cryptocurrency wallet using Trust Wallet application. So if you are just seeing me for the very first time, my name is Emmanuel Jacobz, the founder of Digital Swap. I want you to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notification so you'll be getting cryptocurrency updates on this YouTube channel. Then I want you to give me a like. I want you to comment in the comment section if you have any question. Then if you are interested in getting cryptocurrency updates on a regular basis, then our Telegram channel is where you should belong. There is a link in the description that will take you to our Telegram channel. All right, let's dive into the business of today. So the first thing you have to do is to launch your Google Play Store application. Then on the search slide, you type Trust Wallet. Then make sure that you are downloading the right Trust Wallet. This is one of the ways, or this is one of the means you can be able to verify that this is the right Trust Wallet by making sure it has 10 million plus downloads. All right, so I'm going to click on install. Then give it some time for it to install. So after installing the application, you click on open. Then the first thing you have to do, except you have an existing wallet on Trust Wallet, but the first thing you have to do is to click on create a new wallet. So clicking on create a new wallet, you have to go through their privacy policy and their terms of service. Once you are done reading through it, you check this button, all right, and click on continue. Then you now create your wallet password. So after you've been able to create your wallet password, all right, so let us quickly read through this. In the next step, you will see a secret 12-word phrase that allows you to recover your wallet. All right, so this 12-word phrase is actually something that you need to consider confidential. All right, it is a confidential information of your wallet which you don't need any third party. You don't need to allow anybody look at your screen when you are trying to create your Trust Wallet. All right, so make sure that you keep it in a safe place by copying it out. All right, so this Trust Wallet wants you to acknowledge these three things before you continue. All right, so I'm going to take time to explain one after the other. So the first one is, if I lose my secret phrase, my funds will be lost forever. This simply means that this 12-word phrase that you want to write out, if by any mistake you misplace it and you get to maybe lose your phone, or your phone got damaged, or your whatsoever would happen to your phone that may not allow you to have access to your device again, if you don't have this 12 phrase, if you don't have this secret phrase which is 12 words, you will not be able to recover your Trust Wallet, you will not be able to recover your funds any longer. All right, so you keep this phrase in a very secret place that it is only you that have access to it. All right, except maybe your next of kin, wherein you trust very well that is not going to tamper with your funds until it is due. All right, until maybe you are actually past that, or you are actually in a situation where you need some funds from your wallet and it is your needs of kin that could have access to those funds and maybe use it to maybe help you whatsoever. All right, so now you make sure you keep this in a very safe and a secret place. So the second thing is that if I expose or share my secret phrase to anybody, my funds can get stolen. This simply means that you need to be very careful and you don't need to expose your secret phrase to anybody. So lots of newbies, due to their ignorance, used to share their secret phrase 12 words, which is not advisable, because sharing this to anybody simply means that you've given them access to your funds. All right, so the last one is, it is my full responsibility it is my full responsibility to keep my secret phrase secure. It is not the responsibility of Trust Wallet. It is not the responsibility of anybody except you. And you are the one responsible for anything that would happen to your funds. Alright, so this is decentralized. Simply means that you take full control and nobody else. Alright, so we are going to tick these boxes and agree to all this so we could proceed. I'm going to click on continue. Okay, this is the secret phrase I was talking about. So since the name is secret phrase, it must be kept secret. All right, so all I have to do is for me to write down these stuffs. All right, so what do? I need to carry pen and paper and write it down. So since this is a tutorial, all I just have to do is to click on copy, then look for a place and paste it. I'll paste it here. Now the next thing I have to do is to go back. Then coming back here, the next thing I have to do is, they say do not share your secret phrase. If someone has your secret phrase, they will have full control of your wallet. So the next thing I have to do is to click on continue. So clicking on continue, they are asking me to provide a secret phrase. So this is actually a test for them to confirm if you have copied out this secret phrase, and they want you to provide it in sequence just as it was being numbered. All right, so the first thing was I have to go back and confirm. The first thing was bust, second was lazy, while there was detail. All right, so I will come back here and I'm going to look for busts. Click on busts. What was the second thing? Second thing was details. Am I right? Okay, let me confirm. The second thing was lazy. The third was details, and then we have harvest. Lazy, details, harvest, and the fifth one is hand dry spirit bitter. All right, hand dry spirit and bitter. Then the last four is achieve flip theory option. So achieve flip theory and option, then well done. All right, so I'm going to click on done, and congratulations, you have been able to create your first cryptocurrency wallet. So what is next? The next thing is that you enable push notifications so that you receive notifications when you send and receive cryptocurrencies. All right, so I'm going to click on enable. Then by default we have several cryptocurrencies. I think we have 4 of them, sorry 5: Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, and Smart Chain. That is 4. All right, so if you need other cryptocurrencies, if you want to add other cryptocurrencies, all you have to do is to click at this button, this settings button at the top right corner, and choose which other cryptocurrency you want to add, you want to enable. You can choose to enable Litecoin, you can choose to enable XRP, you can choose to enable Bitcoin Cash, and lots more. You can choose to enable DOT. All right, so that is it. I believe you now agree with me that it's quite simple to create your cryptocurrency wallet using Trust Wallet application. On my next video, I'm going to show you how to send and receive cryptocurrencies. I'm going to as well show you how to send cryptocurrencies from wallets to cryptocurrency exchange and vice versa, which is one of the reasons you have to subscribe and turn on post notification so you get notified once this video is up. Did you give me a like? I want you to hit the like button now. And what's more, don't fail to join our Telegram channel. The link is in the description. I hope to see you in my next video. Do have a nice day. All right.